Hello everyone and welcome. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can recover your deleted photos and videos. We're about to dive into the video, but before we do, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like. Now let's get straight into our video. First, we'll log into Google Photos.
You can also find the Google Photos address provided in the description section below. Once there, you'll be able to view all of your photographs stored within Google Photos. Then, from the bottom section of the screen, we'll proceed to the trash bin. Within this trash bin, you can easily view all the photos that you have deleted in the past 60 days. Simply click on the specific photo you wish to bring back and then just restore it. Once restored, they will automatically reappear in your photos section. You can retrieve all your images from the recycle bin. And that's it. Thank you for watching my video. I hope to see you in our next videos. Take good care of yourselves. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video.